Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas. The test designing United States country style here and there. This video is for you guys. This is amazing, nice looking. Today's video is going to be very interesting for you, in which you will be told how to do classic bedroom decorations. And apart from this, if you want to see that what flowers are for home decoration and how to do decoration, then this video is for you. And there are many such videos for you. If you like the video even a little bit, then please subscribe the channel, like and comment also. What kind of video do you want? What kind of designings do you want we design in the some way? We will bring the some kind of designings for you and will bring thousands of new designing and varieties of home decoration for you. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. I show you a picture of home decoration design and home decoration, classic bedroom decoration ideas, latest design in United States country style here and there. It is great, nice looking, very beautiful decor ideas and bedsheet designing in your favorite home, interior decoration design. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe, press the bell icon, and I hope you liked this video, and I am really excited to share these videos. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, take care.